Hello everyone, I'm Kyle, the plumbing instructor here at Thornton & Grooms, and today we're going to go over how to shut off your water to your toilets and sinks in the case of an emergency after hours. First, we're going to go over the couple different styles of valves that you may have in your home and how they operate. So the first style valve is probably the most common that you're going to see because it's an older style, and that is this style right here in my hand. It's going to have this football shaped handle, and it's going to turn multiple times to shut off. So lefty loosey is going to open it up, righty tighty is going to close it off. You're going to feel a little snug at the end, and that's perfect. We don't have to crank it all the way down because that could potentially cause further issues. Once you feel it closed, turn on your faucet and see if any water comes out. The second newer style valve is going to be a ball valve style. So what's nice about this is it's a nice little quarter turn. Easy on, easy off. When the handle is perpendicular, it's off, and when it's parallel with the supply line, it's on. These will come in two different styles, as you can see here, where one will be a straight version, where the line runs right through the handle. The other style is on an angle. You could have either or both in your home. The third style valve is, as you'll see in the pictures, is a push-pull style. So this is a newer valve. They're typically plastic, and you actually pull it to close it. The key point I want to make with these is you want to have two hands on it because they are a little bit finicky. When you pull it, it can come off in rare occasions. So make sure you have a good grip on one hand when you pull that thing to close it. So now we're going to head into the lab and show you a few examples and where you may find these in your home. All right, so now we're in the lab, and this is an example of what you may find in your home. This is a kitchen faucet style setup, and with any faucet, you're gonna have both a hot and cold shutoff. So on this one, these right here. So now we have our hot and cold valves right here. These are our shutoffs that I'm showing you. Cold is usually always on the right, hot is on the left. These are the ball valve style, so in order to shut these off, we're just going to turn a quarter turn or 90 degrees. Same with the hot. And then now I can turn on the faucet to verify that the water is shut off completely. This same setup you'll find in your bathroom setups as well. So now that we got the water shut off, we can verify by opening up our faucets just like we were going to turn on the water. We may get a little bit of water trickling out. That's just the pressure bleeding off, but it should stop after a moment. If it doesn't, that could be an indication that you have a bad shutoff valve. So now we moved over to the toilet, and very similar to the sink setup is you're going to have your valve with a supply line running up to the toilet. That's how you can verify that this is the proper valve. This is also a ball valve style, so we just turn it 90 degrees, and that'll shut off the water to the toilet. I do want to note with a toilet though, there's still water inside the tank reservoir. So there still is going to be about 1 to 1.5 flushes remaining inside your toilet even after you shut the water off. But when you flush the toilet, you should not hear it refilling if the shutoff is working properly. Just two more points that I would like to highlight is your valve that you're shutting off could either be connected to a water pipe coming out of a wall or coming up through the floor. This varies between house to house or room to room. The second portion of that is if the valve feels stiff or seized, proceed with caution. You don't want to ever put a tool on the valve because excessive force could cause a leak. Hopefully this information is helpful and gets you by till we can come out and help you resolve your issue. Until next time, I'm Kyle with Thornton & Grooms. I'm the plumbing instructor, and thank you for watching.